Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on dark mode on YouTube, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on dark mode on YouTube, first open up a YouTube app on your phone. After opening your YouTube app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there's a button where it says you. Just beside the subscription at the bottom right corner, tap on the button where it says you at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you'll land on this interface, whereas at the top right corner of the screen you can see there's a settings or a gear icon available for us at the top right. Tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner, and you land on this interface where you can see the general option available for us at the top of the screen. Tap on the general and you land on this interface, whereas again at the third option on this interface you can see here it says the appearance. Now in order to turn on dark mode on YouTube, tap on appearance and this pop-up box will appear, and you can see the dark theme option available for us. Tap on the dark theme and your YouTube's theme will be turned to dark mode. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to turn on dark mode on YouTube. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.